Hey guys, and welcome to a little video with a super small tutorial, but the reason why I wanted to make this tutorial is just to explain how the cat game works without you guys having to read it. And first, let's implement the feature. It's quite easy. Before I tell you guys what it actually does, I'm going to show you how to implement it. Yes. So we click on cat game, and then you can click here on enable, just like that, and then you click here on OBS. Then you go on your OBS, you create a new browser source, there you go, call it whatever you want, put in the URL that you just copied by clicking the button, you press OK, and then here is the kitty cat. Super easy. Alright, that's all you have to do to actually use the feature. Make sure the kitty cat is somewhere shown on stream. I would appreciate that. And make sure that your stream now is running. Also, make sure that you're broadcasting in the hashtag 18+, because yes. Alright, what does this cat do? So, anytime you get a pearl tip jar sent to you, the cat is gonna eat those pearls, 10% of them, and keep them in her cat's jackpot that you can read above it. If then there is a small probability that the cat is actually gonna give out the jackpot to the person who sent the pearls. That means you send a pearl gift, and then to a small percentage, small probability, the jackpot is gonna get opened. The higher the pearls amount, the higher the probability that you will win the jackpot. And the coolest part about this feature is that everyone is playing with the same cat and the same jackpot. So if Max is actually playing the game and making the jackpot higher in his stream, it's gonna also make my cat have a higher pulse value. So the more people play, the higher is the jackpot, the cooler it is. So try out the feature, have some fun, and it actually gives you likes, and probably it can give your users or your viewers 10% of the pearls back that they spent in your broadcast, or even more. So that's really awesome. All right, that's it. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful time with this feature, and I'll see you soon.